I gotta go replace an outside shower. It's one of those galvanized brass. It's one of those outside showers, a cheap version. I'm gonna get one that's very similar to it. I'm just gonna do a swap out. A lot of these houses are right down on the water, and they all have outside showers, so if they come in from the beach they can rinse off, right? Change this. I'll put a new one on there. I got another one. I'm gonna change these two boiler drains also. Alright, let's see if we can shut it off. Jungle from hell here. It's supposed to be open. It's over here somewhere. Yeah, they run over. Where's the... They run over. I don't see the shut-offs. Unless they're over there. Yeah. So I got one here. This is the cold. No, that's the hot, and this is the cold. The one in the middle is for the outside faucet. Well, we ain't gonna worry about that right now. Got them two off so we can do our work. He said the flipping thing was supposed to be open. I guess he was wrong. I got it. Looks dry to me. Why, is it supposed to be wet?
No. I paid a guy to put that barrier in here.
How much?
Oh, this is probably...
I usually work half days. I like working half days, to be honest with you.
That's not bad. If you could do 7 to 12...
I mean, if I could do it, right? Why not?
Now, listen to you can't do it without emergencies, you know.
Can't do it all the time, but... Should be off, because... Yeah, I like to work half days. Why not? I mean, I'll never have your money, but I do okay.
My money is bullshit. I have to work at doing it. I'm working on a job this morning for somebody. And, you know, I do some work for free for the place my kid works, okay? He's an electrician. He works for a company. So I like the owner. They all used to work for me. I knew their fathers, you know, that type of background.
Yeah.
You knew their fathers, you knew their uncle, their father-in-laws. It is off.
Yeah, I shut it off in the basement. I wouldn't shit you.
I trust you. I wouldn't have you here if I didn't trust you. If I had an emergency, I trust you to go in here alone. I don't have any problem with that. I'll let you work. Give me a holler if you need anything, alright?
Yeah, I had a lady the other day. I was fixing a lady's air conditioning the other day. She had a bad outside condenser fan motor, and her boyfriend's over there telling me, "Well, what's this gonna cost? $100 a guy? It's gonna be time and material. I'm not gonna screw myself, you know. And you don't know until you get it up and running if there's other issues." So I told her I'd do it time and material. Well, how much? It's like, lady,
just tell them I'll give you an upset price and $500.
if you sitting down, I'll give you a price, but you're not gonna. You better be sitting down when I give it to you, because I'm gonna cover my ass.
Yeah, you got to.
Yeah, because I don't know. Then I had to add 2.5 pounds of gas to it, so that would have. If I didn't figure that in, I would have got screwed, right?
Yeah, you would have given them an upset price.
No.
That's what we used to. We used to have to do that construction. We knew we're getting it. We go back to it.
You know, more or less maybe, but you don't know. I mean, it could be. You give them a price, and then now you got to add.
What did the boyfriend do? Unemployed?
Yeah, he was unemployed drunk.
Oh,
He's a dry drunk. So I told him, I said, listen, he's over there asking me all kinds of questions. I says, call your girlfriend, get the flipping girl over here that's, you know, the boss on the phone, you know?
You get pissed?
No, what's he gonna say?
How old a guy was?
He's a freeloader, probably, over there, you know. over there sacking up with the chick for a free ride.
Why not? You can get rid of her in 6 months and no problem.
Bad.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, that's the way to go, right?
Well, it's too late for me. When I didn't get married till I was 43. To say I'd been out with her for 8 years before we got married.
Well, there you go.
It wasn't like you pulled each other's pants down and all of a sudden you were in love. It took a while. Great.
That don't look bad.
Okay, it's smart. You don't have the head here, do you? Already have the head's right in the box, right?
Say that again?
The shower head's in the box?
Everything. It comes in a complete kit. It's in the box.
All right.
We'll straighten it out for you. We'll get it done. Don't fear. Don't fear. The kid's here.
I'm going on 12, but I'm pretty sure you'll be in pretty good shape by then.
Yeah, I'll let you know if I run into any issues. It might be the same. I might have to change these. I'm not sure. When in doubt, I don't think that's gonna work. Just have to make sure you get the brass nut off. Take this off. Take the nut off also. When in doubt, change it out. Should be the same. Should be the same setup. It's a little different. That's copper. I'll use both pipe dope and Teflon, just as a precaution. Don't hurt to use both. Won't hurt to use both. Make sure you put the nuts on there, right? There is no Allen key, so I gotta grab it from here. Some people will get butthurt about. Oh my God, the chrome. It's an outside shower guy. Don't worry about it. Oh, this can either go this way or this way. I gotta put it this way, upside down. Put the shower head out this way, and then this will be the drain. Go this way, or I can go this way. Either way. But seeing it's already like this is the way it's gonna go. Right? Might have to just switch the handles around. That's no big deal. That goes like that. Not much of a shower head, but it is what it is. Definitely not the greatest shower head in the world, but good enough for this neighborhood. Then put this on first, and then this on. So you'll be able to just tighten it by hand like this, get it close. Just gotta switch the handles around. This is gonna be cold. You want to have it so, because when they shut it, it's going to go up. Washers are going to set in, right? You have it like that. should do it. Just make sure we're tight here. I should do it. I'll just pick up my tools. And I did put a hanger up here, a plastic hanger. Some screws here for this. You got new boiler drains to winterize it. Just turn it on inside. And should be. There's the Round Hill Beach right there. Warm. It's still warm out, so I won't have to worry about it winterizing it for a while. There's the cold, that's the hot. Shut the lights in the door back here and I just gotta shut the lights off on the way out. It's like roof stuff on here. Keep it nice and dry.